Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty, and look what I got! Let me know if you like the sound quality in this. I'm just literally using a cheapy mic, but I, always want to up my quality. I'm really trying, okay? And then I have different lighting too, so let me know again if you like this. It's weird to have fall stuff, but we're gonna talk about the newest launch from Nomad. I'm so excited. Look at this box. It's a choo-choo train. And the box, yeah, choo-choo train. My husband opened this for me and sent me pictures of it, and dun, 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 you're already gonna see what it looks like, but like, oh, I haven't even done swatches yet. I'm gonna do a look first, but like, not sure. There we go. Showing some shifties. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, let's use some eyeshadow primer and get into this. They say I was excited. And I can actually use in this entire palette. You can use the white to set my lid, which I don't always like whites, but we'll see, okay? It's a snowflake. It's a snowflake. It's just, like, look how cute this is. I don't even know if my husband kept the card. Okay. So if you didn't see, it's the North Pole, Polar Express, Christmas Classic. My dad actually lived in Alaska My dad actually lived in Alaska in North Pole, Alaska, which is kind of cool. But yeah, this is, let's see, it's infused with cocoa seed butter to help keep skin soft, 8 Merry Mattes, 6 glowing shimmers, 1 festive multi-chrome inspired by Christmas Classic, the Polar Express. Proud supporter of WWF and their work in the Arctic. Sure, there's a card, but my husband threw it away. Even the inside of the, it's just so cool. I love Nomad. I do have a code Vegan Brie to get 10% off. It's holiday season, so this looks like something that you'd wear to work, which I think, even if you don't like blues, look, ignore the blues. Everything else is a neutral. But the blues are fun too, just for holiday parties, winter parties, whenever you want to use blue. You put blue in your lower lash line, or just do blue all over the lid and just do neutrals, or even just use it as a liner. Call it a day. I just got home from work as well. Eyeshadow primer, Milani eyeshadow primer. We're gonna use Snowy Mountain. I'm gonna ruin these imprints. And okay, this just shows how pale I am, or how fair. I'm a fair princess. It's nice. It's a nice white, not like chalky. If you experience creasing, especially if you have hooded lids, I recommend setting your eyeshadow primer. You don't have to. Some people can just get away with concealer. Not me. It's gonna be a creasy mess, so that's what I recommend. So set that. Okay. And then I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell. There's little ornaments and stuff. So again, cute. Santa's helper. Here, I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's like a nice reddish brown. Not that much powder. Not that much kick up. Okay. Oh, I love shades like this. And it pretty much just blended itself out. Maybe use a little bit more. Any of the little black thingies you see, I was wearing a different look. And they're just tubey mascara thing. It's from my tubey mascara, which I'm still kind of wearing mascara. I'm going to use the shade Hot Cocoa right here. Oh, I should dip my finger in it. It felt really smooth. Let's say that. And it looks like a little absolute. That one has a little bit more kick up. Right there, but not a lot. It's like the perfect hot cocoa shade, but it's like the perfect, let's see. Okay, so it's a warmish brown, but not like too warm. No, it just kills it with their packaging and their formulas, okay? Again, just basically blended itself out. That took me like, what, a couple seconds? And then, just to be fun, we're gonna take Nougat Candy. Right there. It's like a taupe, but like kind of, I don't know, lighter than that. And then pew, 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 with the sound effects, okay? And then a shimmer. Let's use this. We gotta use a shimmer. I'm gonna use my Fear and Epoxy glitter glue that I'm almost done with. And then I saw the Ben Nye one, but I'm actually gonna get one off the TikTok shop. Okay, Fear and Epoxy, scraping the sides. While we're waiting, I'm gonna set this aside with the, again, Snow Mountain, the white shade. Look at this delicious brownie shade, like, oh, so good. I want to use a little bit of Believe, which is the Choo Choo one. Right here on the outermost. Ooh, that's pretty. I also like shades like this. But pretty. I don't know if it has a shift or not, but it is really pretty. Let's do so many pretty shades. Mr. C. Oh, that feels nice. Ooh, right there. Santa Claus. True Champagne. It's really pretty. All right, and then on the other side, catch up a little bit, but like, oh, so pretty. Like, look at that. Very pretty. Desert of Ice, which literally looks like ice breaking. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that blue. Do you do any, like, do you have any Christmas or, like, holiday traditions? Anything special you did as a kid? And then we'll blend out with, we'll do North Pole. Maybe pick a little bit higher. Just a dash. To make it look like I'm using like a even lighter blue. Especially with the white. Okay, and then I'm going to use some glitter glue. All right, I did blend out the shimmers on here with, like, I added the mattes back in. All right, let's get into more shimmers. I'm trying to use, I don't know if many of you all use all the shades. I'm gonna try. We're gonna use Polar Express. So I don't know if it's showing the shift or not. Okay. Look at that. It's so pretty. And then I'm going to take First Gift. That was really, ugh. And then I'm going to take Christmas Carol, which I kind of wanted to use on this side, but I was trying, I don't know. I just didn't. And then take it there. It's almost like a fool's gold, like a greeny kind of gold. All right. And then I'm going to clean this up. And then we're going to choose what, let's see. Actually, right now, I'll choose what line I'm going to use. So just to use all the shades, I'm going to use this pretty dark brown here on this side. And then this blue Frozen Sea on this side. I also added, so I did the liner. Really good. Okay. I just used a little liner brush. But I used Prance from ColourPop in my waterline here. And then I used the Supernova Multichrome Eyeliner from Moira in the shade Electra here. And then we're going to do lower lash line. On this side, actually on this side, I'm going to do Santa's Helper. Here, the red one we did, I'm going to connect it. The red-ish shade is really pigmented and pretty. Just for a little something something, I'm going to use a little bit of Believe, the shimmer that I used on the outer corner. So I'm going to do, oh, look at this beautiful icy white. It was so hard to take a picture of some of these because they're so like, look at that. All aboard. And just gonna do Desert of Ice again. This shade. Look how pigmented that is, but I haven't had any. The shimmers are probably from my look earlier. But I haven't had any fallout. And blue fallout can be kind of not the easiest to clean up because then it looks like you have darker circles than you already did. And no one wants that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of North Pole here, the lighter blue. I'm going to use Super Bells, Super Bells, hear them ring. Ooh, look at that. So I use every single shade in this palette. Now I'm going to do, well, I'm already wearing mascara, but maybe I'll put on a little bit more in lower lash line. And I'll show you my final look, my final thoughts. Okay, here's my final look. I used some other products, okay? I made my cheeks a little bit more pink, my little nose cold, and then my lips blue for the cold. I don't know. Put some mascara on, did my brows a little bit better. And here's my final looks. What do we think? Which side is our favorite? That's my more work appropriate. And then my fun side. I'm super excited about this like launch. I'm just, I'll put all the details down below in the description box. Let me know if you're gonna be getting it or not. I also, if you are gonna be using my code, please let me know on Instagram and tag me or in the comments down below saying that you did use my code, Vegan Brie. I don't like pushing my code, but this might be my last PR package if I don't get enough, if I don't have my code used. I know that sounds annoying, but that's just how it is, especially like smaller creators. We don't get as many numbers, and that is the whole purpose of them sending me PR, is to make sales, to make money. My code is not affiliated. I don't get any money. It just shows that you came from my channel. So if you did, I really appreciate you using my code. And this will be launching on Tuesday at 11 p.m. Again, all the details, the price, the time, the website, all the details will be in the description box down below. I really appreciate you stopping by my little nook in the internet. As always, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. You cannot take care of others unless you take care of yourself, and I take care of myself through makeup and beauty. How do you take care of yourself? Self-care is number one. So as always, I hope to see you next video.